Hey, what's up, guys? It's your favorite Minecraft YouTuber here. And today, we have another unboxing video. I bought a studio mic. $16. Let's unbox this baby. Woo. Everyone was complaining about how bad my mic is. So, I bought a quality mic. Let's actually see here. Alright, I thought it comes with USB, but it doesn't. So it comes with this piece of shit. So it's gonna go like again. But hey, it was $60, so it probably has a really good sound. And we're gonna try that now, okay? So I'll see you over at my PC.
Oh, hey, what's up guys? My name is Kate and I represent Shit4Cash website where you can get shit for cash. Come over to our site right now and you will get a lot of shit for your cash. Use the code DILDO for 2% more shit on your first purchase. No scammerino, caparino.
Right, got this plugged in. Let's see. Does that mic? Hold on a second here, guys. Just need to really fast set this up here. Alright, let me mute the current one, the headset one.
Hello? Hello? How does it sound? How does it sound? Hello? I don't know. Is it good? Sound good? Right. I mean, I don't know. I cannot hear it. So I guess I will have to just check in the replay then, I guess. So this is my new studio mic. In case you guys are wondering why it sounds so good.